Hello everyone, here's how to install the SK30 Mac driver. First, go to our official website, cinmark.com. Click Software Download, then click Driver. And download the SK30 driver. Open the driver file. Go to Privacy and Security Settings. And choose Still Open. Enter your Mac password. Click Continue, then click Install. Enter your password again if prompted. And the installation will complete successfully. Go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. And you will see the SK30 driver listed. Next, install the editing software. Return to the official website, click Software Download. And download the editing software. Open the Applications folder. Click to open the installer. And proceed with the installation. Once installed, open the software. Click Settings to select your preferred language. Click New, input A4 paper size, and click Create. Click Image to insert the image content you want to print. Drag to adjust the image size and position. Click Print, select the SK30 driver. And click Print. The printer will feed paper normally. Test successful. Customers can print according to their actual needs.